quick tour to toilet, if the extension cord will allow. There exists a fan on this toilet, an exhaust fan down here, that I have either forgotten or just remembered. I have to power with 12 volt. So I'm actually going to run this up, probably peel back some paneling here if I can, and get the wire behind all this stuff and run up to the light, so it shares a 12 volt circuit with the light. It has an individual fuse as well as the lights are fused, so shouldn't have any issue. Obviously when you want it on, you plug it in just with a little cord back here, you know, same as what you'd use for charging a couple different things. But basically that guy, you plug it in when you want it, unplug it when you don't. It should be okay to go that way. Other things, this is like a cassette toilet type of deal. This is supposed to be a top of the line deal, so if you're taking a dump, you pop down the handle, and there you can put your chunks of bacteria that eat the fecal matter, so it's safe to dispose of. And then obviously your pee hole in the front. And then to access this bucket, to get rid of it or dump it, you just flip that guy up, grab it and take it away. And then when you're ready to empty the whole thing, when you've filled this up to your desire, you untwist little knobs on both sides and then just carry out the whole closed toilet. So pretty much in and out, easy to go, however you need to deal with it. So this also has a vent tube, which we're going to run up to the window here, and what I'm going to do is just make a nice mounting bracket for it here, and so that when we want that to vent, we'll just flip open the window and vent it, and then when we want it, the window closed for rain or whatever reason, I just close the window and you don't have to worry about it. So should be pretty straightforward there, easy peasy. And we'll keep going here. I got to get these mounting brackets in the floor, which should be fun, figuring out where they need to go. And then I need to find out how I'm gonna probably have to peel back some of these layers to get to the wiring. I have a 12 volt wire going here to the bedroom light and this light, so we'll have to go there next. Okay, so real quickly, it did cross through my mind that the lights are all on dimmers. So we're actually going to go to the water pump 12 volt that's already underneath the sink, so we only have to run about 6 more feet of wire. I'm going to hook up a fuse in line and hook it up underneath the sink there. Heat shrink, solder, all that other good stuff. You know how it goes. So I will try to get you somewhere where you can see this. It's going to be tough to see, so follow. Alright, so we now do have all the wires here joined, and this is our wire going up to the toilet fan, and it is fused like you can see here. It goes back behind the counter through the wall, pops out on the back side here, runs along the window frame, back and around here, and then we have our little cable that plugs and unplugs when we want it vented. So to wrap up tonight, I'm just going to try to hit these with one more coat of stain and unmask them, and should be good to go from there. So alright, so you can see we have the toilet installed. It's pretty sturdy. It's works like I showed you earlier. We got this all stained here too. So it's got a second coat on it. Should be drying in the next 24 hours. We have had some unseasonably warm days, so that means that paint's gonna dry faster, which is a good thing. So the bottom edge too, around the perimeter and behind the toilet's all been caulked, so that we don't have to take the toilet out anymore, hopefully. And then, like you saw earlier, our power cord for our toilet fan is right here. It gets plugged into this slot here, and then that'll kick on the fan. So easy breezy, stinky toilet gas. So keep watching, following along. If you have any questions, comment below, send me an email, whatever. Talk to you.